I did cut this bumper in half just for this video, so stick around.
What's going on, my people? Good day. It's your guy Muto Mechanic, bringing you today a new challenge. It's the plastic welding challenge. It's where you cut a bumper in half and then you weld it back on together and you give it a twist test. This video is sponsored by Foliv. They sent me this welder to give it a whirl.
Comes with something we don't need to read. We got the plastic rods, some foil aluminum tape, a sanding pad, and some mesh for welding. It comes with this huge bag. I bought some of these staples from Matco 2 weeks ago, and there were 25 in a bag, and it was over 18 bucks. So this, if you just look at the staples, you'll make your money only in the staples. So we got the staples. So it already comes with clippers. That's the welder. That's what you use to flatten out the welds with. Blade. And the welder itself. The kit doesn't come with a lot of aluminum tape, but you can always buy some more. We're going to use some vice grips. You typically use the staples on the inside, not the outside. But just for educational purposes only, we are doing this to show you how strong these staples are, and they're pretty standard. And to make our weld even stronger, we're going to use the mesh they sent. Get some scissors and just, maybe you need like an inch, not that much, but that's what we're looking for. And now we're going to use their welder and just slide it right on there. Just like that. And we're going to take one, put it down. And you repeat this process all the way across.
And then you start filling the crack with the plastic rod they sent you. You just melt it and fill it in. And then you give it the ultimate twisting crack test. Twist it over, and over again.